Jennifer, owner of Pearls of Wisdom, co-owner of Mainline Pearls, and today we're going to talk about how to fix garter stitch when you have a drop stitch and it has laddered down. So it's much easier to fix stockinette because everything is facing in the same way. This method works equally well for garter in the round and garter in knit flat, which is knit every row. Oddly, when you knit in the round, you're knitting a row, purling a row, which actually illustrates how you fix this, whereas when you knit flat, you're knitting every row, but you are fixing it as if you knit a row, purl a row. So this is my twin set tank pattern that we're currently doing as a knit along, and this yarn is in Zula Sonnet, which is a combination of superwash, silk, and bamboo. So it kind of has a nice stretch to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ladder down on this stitch right here and drop it. And then we'll show you how to fix it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my live stitch. If you ever have a drop stitch, I encourage you to catch it with whatever you have, safety pin, paper clip, ideally a stitch marker, locking stitch marker, so that it doesn't ladder down further. I am not great at fixing things once they get into the cast on, and so I did an extra 2 rows of garter, more than the pattern, just because I didn't want it to accidentally go into the cast on. Okay, so I have just finished a purl row. You can see the purl bumps there, and if you pull this out, you will see that there's actually a knit row in between the purl rows. As I said, same thing when this is knit flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this, as I said, 4 times. I did it 4 times. There should be 4 bars. We're going to check in a minute, but I'm going to end with a purl, because that's what these are. And I'm pretty sure there's 4 because this is a purl, so it's going to be knit, purl, knit, purl. So let's check the bars. It's easier to see it on the other side. There's 1. I believe, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you always have to find the lowest one. You can do, I like to do this with my needle. I never need another tool, but you certainly can use a stitch fixer or a crochet hook to do this. So you want to find the lowest bar. So this is the bar that's connected to the stitch. I see 3 bars, I see 4 bars. So there it is. You stretch them out, they should separate so that the lowest one is at the bottom. And this is knit. Knit is easy. You just flip it over. And the reason, again, I know it's knit is because these, this is purl. This has a bump across it. So knit, you always just flip the bar on top of the needle and flip this over. Okay, so then 3 left. I'm going to go like this and flip it like that. And then 2 left, knit again. And let me do this one slower because this is the harder one. So this is purl. I'm slipping them to the other needle, and I'm taking my needle and I'm putting it into the bar stitch. There it is. I'm sorry, no, I put it in underneath as if to purl. And then I stick it through the stitch, and then I take the right needle and flip it around. And there it is. Fixed. Thanks for watching. Hopes that was helpful. If you like what you see, please subscribe.